Hey there guys, welcome back to another video on the Diego Guevara coaching series. For today's video and second video of the series, we're gonna be talking about your dream lifestyle. So for this video, I wanted for you guys to be clear that in order for you to succeed in any type of business, any type of project, you have to have specific targets, objectives that are gonna lead you through the process and let you know what is my vision for this business, what is my vision for this project. So for today's lesson, we're gonna see what is a dream lifestyle. So what is my dream lifestyle? What do I see myself receiving in exchange for my hours, my effort? Where do I see my business going? So how much do you guys wanna spend in your house, in your apartment? So in my case, I would like to live in the beach. So here in Costa Rica, an apartment in the beach is gonna be about $1,000 per month. What type of car do you guys want to have? Do you want to have BMW? Do you guys want to have a Lambo? Do you guys want to have a Ferrari? What is your dream car? What car do you want to drive when you're older, when your project is successful? What are you looking for? So in my case, I'm not materialistic. I don't care about cars and clothes and all that shit. I don't care. So I'm gonna say $400 per month electric car, okay? In the beach. It is important for you guys to be specific. I'm going very fast, but for the apartment, you gotta say how many bedrooms do you want, where do you want it to be, specific names of cities and locations that you would love to live in, one garage, two garage. You have to really picture yourself, what color, what style. Is it gonna be modern? Is it gonna be more like Caribbean style? You gotta decide what type of house you want to have, where is it going to be, everything specific. So the car, again, model, brand, year, everything. Of course, in my agenda here, I have my specific things. So food and fitness is actually something that is very important for me. So I'm going to say $500 per month. Fit and healthy. So for food, I'm gonna buy quality food, organic food. Am I gonna buy in restaurants? Am I gonna eat out? Am I gonna buy in bulk? You have to envision yourself living your ideal lifestyle with every single component that it takes. So for me, I wanna live a fit, I wanna live a healthy lifestyle. So I wanna have quality food, organic food, things like supplements, all that. So $500 per month. Then, do you wanna invest? Do you want to have cryptocurrency? Do you want to have real estate? Do you want to invest in your own business every single month so that you skyrocket your growth? You have to define how much. So for me, investment is actually one of the most important ones. So I'm not materialistic, but I do focus on investment. So for me, investment, this is going to be a priority. And this, okay? So I'm gonna invest $1,500 per month in cryptocurrency, real estate, whatever I want, but every single month that is gonna be my investment. So in 10 years, if you guys multiply 1,500 times 12 times 10 years, okay, so you have this amount of money spent, invested. So if you guys, in my opinion, if you guys are investing $1,500 per month, you're great and you're creating a lifestyle for your future. You're creating financial independence, safety. You're probably gonna be invested in many different projects, great projects. So then, do you want to travel? For me, This is gonna be a very big one, $500, yeah, $1,500, because I want to go to the beach. I want to go to Europe, Asia, let's say I want to be in a cruise ship. I want to take my mom and my dad in a all paid traveling experience through Europe for 6 months. Charity. Do you guys want to participate in charity? In my case, I would love to be able to give back to the community that made me, giving $500 per month, different projects, different things that I would be invested in. For example, I would love to help small charities that teach entrepreneurship for low resources kids. That would be something I would really love. So $500, and others. Others can be Netflix, Spotify, party, can be, I don't know, mom's car. Whatever you guys want to have, these are all gonna be extra. So I'm gonna say $500 per month. So when you guys add everything, this is gonna be 1,900, 3,400, 4,900, 5,400, 5,900. So let's just round up and say $6,000. So in order for me to live my dream lifestyle, as I drafted right here, I'm gonna have to make $6,000 per month. So my dream income is $6,000. Let me just check everything's good here. Okay. So now what? Now I have my special number, and what am I gonna do with this? I'm gonna take note of all of this, and I'm gonna write them down. Don't type it, just write it down. And if you guys can, every month, repeat yourself, write this, take a look at this every single day that you wake up and you're going to work and hustling, take a look at this and find the value in what you're doing. So $6,000, right? $6,000 is my magic number. Okay? $6,000. Okay? Per month. This is my number. This is what I'm working for every single day. This is why I create content, why I create YouTube videos. This is why I'm gonna wake up every single day, 6 a.m., work 12 hours for myself, for my future. So let's say you guys are into affiliate marketing and you're working for $100 commission per sale. Okay? So if you guys are gonna earn $6K per month, you guys are gonna have to earn $1,500 per week. Okay, this is gonna be $230 $215 per day. Okay, so when we look at things like this and we break it down, we can see that 215, it's almost 2 sales. So 2 sales per day. So all of a sudden, this big number I had, that was actually a high salary here in Costa Rica. If you guys are earning $6K per month, you're a millionaire, you're within the 1%, and you have such a great lifestyle. Now you only have to focus on creating 2 sales per day. So you have to focus on just getting 2 sales per day. So the bigger this number is, if you guys are working for $200 commissions, well, guess what? You're now working for 1 sale per day. In affiliate marketing, we like to teach you guys to look for high ticket products, $500 products, so that you have to spend less time, less energy converting each sale and getting more revenue. So hopefully you guys took note of your dream lifestyle. What is your dream lifestyle? Let me know in the comments. Where do you live? What car do you drive? What extras would you like to have? What type of freedom are you guys looking for? So hope you guys enjoyed the quick video. Remember, it's not about 6K per month, it's just one sale per day. This is gonna make the whole world of difference. You guys are gonna get that into your head, and every single day you're gonna work for one sale per day. So hopefully you guys are having a great day, great night, whenever you're watching, and we'll see you guys in the third video of the business coaching series.